Hi, I am back with another video. This is Jimmy, and I'm going to tell you some things about myself. Like I mentioned in the last video, I am 25 years old, and I'm going to be 26 years old in a few weeks. I live in Mandeville, New York, and I went to both Onondaga Community College and Casanova College, and I majored in Human Services at both of those colleges. I am going to talk about the things I like to eat and drink first, and then I'm going to say what my favorite holidays are. And then I'm going to talk about what I like to do and some of the places I like to go. Now let's start off with the foods I like to eat. The foods I like to eat are pizza, spaghetti and meatballs, pasta, stuffed shells, chicken parmesan, lasagna, bacon cheeseburgers, sloppy joes, hot dogs, sausage sandwiches, french fries, bush beans, cinnamon strudel, cinnamon rolls, bacon, pancakes, waffles, lobster, crab legs, clams, lobster rolls, ham sandwiches, pot pies, stuffing, turkey, mashed potatoes and gravy, as well as shrimp lo mein and crab rangoon. I also like to eat pie, strawberry shortcake, cookies, and cheesecake, and ice cream. The things I like to drink are water, hot chocolate, and milk. But my favorite holidays are Thanksgiving, Christmas, Easter, Memorial Day, and 4th of July. The things I like to do are hang out with my friends and family, relax, watch TV and movies, as well. I also like to play on my laptop and go for walks. I also like to go to places like the water park, my friend's house, and the ocean, just to name a few. That is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching. And I hope all of you have a great day. And if you like the video, please like and subscribe.